The Netstat command, short for network statistics, is a powerful tool used in Linux and other operating systems to display detailed information about network connections. Key features of Netstat: displays active network connections, shows listening ports and their associated processes, provides protocol-specific statistics for TCP, UDP, and UNIX sockets, displays routing tables and network interface statistics, helps identify processes using specific ports. The general syntax for the Netstat command is netstat options, commonly used options. Here are some used options with examples. Hashtag show all active connections and listening ports equals netstat -a. Displays display only TCP connections equals netstat -t. Hashtag display only UDP connections equals netstat -u. Hashtag show only listening ports equals netstat -l. Hashtag display process IDs, PIDs, and program names equals netstat -p. Hashtag show routing table information equals netstat -r. Hashtag display protocol statistics equals netstat -s. Hashtag continuously update the output every second equals netstat -c.